As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Current time is 7:42, about 15 minutes, a little over 15 minutes for that new hourly change up into the 8 a.m. time, all right. Yesterday was a really good session. Today we had, some really good bangers going off in the private group here in Discord. Nice trades on both indices, Nasdaq and the Dow, and then we had a GU runner for about 60 plus pips. So today the morning was very good so far. So let's see if we can continue that momentum with this New York session. All right. So like I said, current time is 7:42. Okay. You can see here I have oil right on the chart right now on the 15-minute. We're going to be starting with gold, okay? And we're going to start on the daily here, okay? But before we do that, guys, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself. We're not financial advisors, so try not to risk more than 1%. We know how volatile these markets have been lately, and we don't want to, risk more than that just in case, right, something erratic happens. Okay, so we'll go over the news in a little bit. We're going to start with gold. If you guys want to see Nasdaq pump to like up to 100, and then we'll start looking at an indice, and then if you guys want to see the Dow or maybe even oil, let's pump these likes up to 300 right away so we can start and take a look at this instruments. Okay, so you can see here with gold in the daily, guys, you see we have a nice little spinning top candlestick, indecisive right now. Current time, like I said, 7:43, almost the new 15-minute candle. The last 15-minute candle of the new hourly is about to open. And so let's get ready and do our top downs based on that. So let me just make a quick flip here. Okay, add this daily support. Okay. And then we're going to look at some daily resistance just above. All right. Okay, let's take a look now at our 4-hour. Okay, guys, I'll answer some questions in a bit here. Just wanted to get some top downs done so we can get ready to rock. All right, so you can see nice 4-hour support starting to hold. Okay. Have some nice 4-hour resistance just above here. I'm going to use this current candle close, all right, for our resistance. Okay, and you can see we're going to work in this area on our hourly and all the way back down to the 15-minute time frame, and then our last but not least our 5-minute. Okay, so just update this accordingly. You can see there's a nice hourly support just below the 4-hour. Okay, so 1 hour support. And then my hourly resistance is just going to be to the left here. Okay, you can see the big wick down that's currently happening, 1 hour resistance. And then we're going to take a look at our 15-minute time frame, guys. Okay. All right, so everything's looking pretty good here. Let's just make some quick updates. Add that wick there, 4-hour support. You can see starting to get some push. And then we're getting a little bit of pull here on that hourly. Okay, so for the 15-minute, guys, I'm just going to use probably this level of support just under the hour and in between the 4. Okay, so 15-minute support. And obviously, just like any lower time frame support or resistance, it can be broken, which will then be the opposite. So for example, if we break this hourly resistance here, it will act as potential support, maybe walking our price back to the upside. Okay. So my resistance level on the 15 is going to be to the left here, right at the current bearish candlestick that dropped, and then you can see the rejection wick where we're at that 7:30 candle. Okay. So 15-minute resistance. Okay, guys, so we're going to drop to our 5-minute now. All right. You can see what we're working in here. Okay, nice level of supply we're coming to. Rejection wick. Okay, just make that some supply. Guys, let me quickly change my chart for a second. I was fooling around yesterday. I'm going to mimic it like MT4, blue and red, all right, and then go from there. Okay, so we're just going to have a little bit of patience now. You can see we're just above the 50 line on the RSI. Okay, we're going to take a look at our 9 EMA. Okay, you can see we're above the 9 here. Let's take a look where the 200 is. We're just below the 200. Okay, you can see though that price tried to make a wick attempt to break and was pushed down. That's why we're having a short-term supply. And then you can see that the current candle is starting to hold at that 15-minute support level. Okay, so you can put definitely a little opportunity of price starting to rise here. Okay, maybe even filling that wick up to our 15 minutes, so from 44 all the way to maybe 46. Okay, but just watch your spreads. Okay, and let's take a look at our Sniper scanner here. All right. Okay, so right now on everything we're looking at here, we got gold, Nasdaq, Dow, GJ, US 30, and GU. Okay, there is not anything overbought and oversold at this current time. All right, we're just watching and waiting for this maybe to one go green or red to be able to maybe spot an opportunity in the market. Okay, so we'll keep updating this, but for right now we'll just leave it as is. Okay, all right, so here we go, 748, just coming into that new hourly here. All right, and I'm just going to be patient until that time. Members will discuss about the scanner, okay, and which it applies to and when it's going to be available. Okay. All right, so about 30 seconds, guys. You can see it's starting to get a little bit of push down here, maybe retesting that over 9 EMA. All right, so let's just be patient here. Let's just watch and see how price is going to conduct itself leading into that new hourly time frame. So with this, all right, it's really good for us to take a look at the DXY here. All right, you can see what the DXY is doing. This is a lot of choppiness. Okay, I can see some nice levels of selling opportunities here. Okay, which red is supply. Okay, so we can make that a supply zone area. Okay, and then you can see we have some nice buyers stepping in currently just below. Choppy chit, guys. You know how it is right now. Okay, so you can see that we're starting to get a little bit of a push down here. All right, what we can expect is maybe that new hourly change up to either hold below here and we're going to push back down. Okay, maybe to this level and then make our decision. Okay, either a push or pull. If not, you might see a hold on this DXY because of multiple. See this bullish candlestick right here? That's an attempt to break. We have another one here and another one over here. So we could hold and maybe get a nice little push back up to our supply. If that's the case, guys, you will see gold start to, if correlated, maybe sell. If it dumps down below the 200, we're looking for buys. All right. Ian, I did change the candles. Blue is for like MT4. All right, and the red is for just trying to mimic the overall charts in itself. Okay. Members, I'm not too sure if you guys are seeing that oil trade that's going off right now, but hopefully you guys are in it to win it. Okay, so let's go back to Goldie and see where we're going here. Okay, guys, if you want to see NASDAQ, let's smash these likes to 100. All right, just kind of what we've been asking on the stream lately. Eventually, you'll get it, so you don't even have to listen to me babble on about this. And the only reason why, guys, if you're wondering why is this randomly beard guy asking for all these likes, it's just because it helps the stream in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so guys, I'm currently running an oil pretty good right now. Okay, so got about a minute and 58 seconds here for this 7:55 candle. New 8 a.m. is going to open up. All right. Let's see if we can get a push past this overall supply zone, guys. Let's see if we can maybe get a push back to 17, sorry, 16. I'm so used to gold being 17s, man. 1650. Okay. Let's see if we can get a push back maybe to this level here. But again, if we start to hold, remember, let's take a look at our 15-minute. Look at what we got going on here, guys. Okay. You can see the downtrend starting to hold. All right. Nice rejection here. Price is still holding, looking nice, but it's getting rejected right at that 50 line. Okay, you see the 50. This is why I like putting this on here, so it just shows us nice support and resistance. You can see 50, we have a supply area. Okay, price is getting pushed back down, so you have two confirmations that this is a nice rejection level. Joel, it's on the 52. Good call, man. Thank you. Okay, so let's take a peek here. So we got going on 754. Let's see what we got here. 100. Okay, guys, we're going to move on to NASDAQ now. Let's go take a peek at Nasty. All right, I'm really excited to trade NASDAQ today. We're going to see how price is going to move. All right, look at that big sell-off coming in here. Let's take a look at the daily, guys. All right. All right. So you can see, look at the daily candle. This thing is just awful. Look at that daily candle here. This thing is, that's not fun. Okay. There's no volume on this candle, like at all. From literally today, you can see it's made a range of 75 pips. Okay, so let's see here if we can get nice NASDAQ sells, guys. We've had them since this morning. Okay, we had a Dow sell running 200 pips, so let's get a daily resistance area. Guys, you guys are getting confused about the candles, eh? I did not mean to confuse you. Where are we from? We're from Canada, the Great White North, the land of Jon Snow. All right, so you can see here No, guys, I changed my candles to blue, straight up. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour now. Agalos, yesterday I passed MFF phase 1. Thanks a lot, Dave and Ron, for mindset support. Absolutely, bro. A second, we take a quick peek of that. Good. All right. Good to go. So we're going to use that candle here in the rejection. Okay. Look at this, guys. This is something I do not want to be a part of, to be honest with you, but we'll still get it done. Looking like opportunities of huge selling momentum is coming into play here. Okay, and then I can see nice 4 hour support just starting to hold. Are we trading Forex? Yeah, yes, we are. We're trading Forex here, absolutely. All right, this is an indice. This is called the NASDAQ. All right. All right, let's take a peek at the hourly. Look at this, guys. Pure consolidation here. Long, dirty wick. Okay, nice rejection area here. Nice support levels are going to be holding. Okay, nice resistance here on the hourly. Not going to use any hourly support. We're going to use the 4 hour. Okay, we're going to drop to the 15. Okay, looking good. Got a 15-minute candle wick support just before the 4. All right. Okay, and we're going to drop down to our wick level here for maybe the 15-minute possible break below the 4 hours. So I'm just charting that. I'm not adding any text to it. We're going to drop to the 5 and go from there. Okay, so see some nice momentum of selling right up in this general area right here. Okay, and then I see some buying opportunities starting to happen down in this general area at the bottom. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 15-minute time frame here and see if we can spot any trends. Oh, this looks like a big flag or M pattern here starting to form. Okay, you can see the supply here pushing back down another area right in here which has been rejected. Okay, and then you can see here we're starting to hold at that 15-minute. Okay, so we're going to set some alarms here, guys. We're going to set this one an alarm just in case. We got 1 more minute until that new change up. Okay, and then we're going to set, I'm going to just have this break level here as the alarm. Okay, so here's the new 5-minute open of the new hourly. Okay, you can see we're just starting to break down now, continuing. Okay, so I'm waiting for maybe price to get in around here to make its next move. Okay, so there we go. We're starting to fall here. Let's go take a look at Goldie. Okay, we don't have any moving averages on here. We'll go to take a peek with these on NASDAQ too. Just one quick second. And there we go. We're just about to get a tap on that 200. We're actually on it currently. All right. So this is where personally I like to stay away from trading, but I do see if we break down below here, this could be a death cross, okay, which is something like this. So look at this. See how the initial support level starting to hold because of previous structure. If we get this 9 EMA coming back down here and maybe dropping, okay, and then breaking this 200, all right, that's going to be a death cross, which means price can continue bearish. And if that happens, there's going to be a lot of volume here, pushing price back down, especially to our demand zone. So give it 5 minutes, guys. Let's watch and see here. I have not pulled any trade. The only trade that I was in was that oil buy, and that was just sent from our Discord group. Other than that, I'm just watching and waiting. Okay, and let's take a look at this news we got going on here, guys. Just refresh everything. Ooh. Is anyone loyal to oil? Okay, guys, here we go. We got 10 a.m. news here. All right. So I'll be staying till probably about 10:05. Okay. And we're going to watch this news release launch. And then after that, I have to go. Okay. That's why I started a little bit later today. But this is going to be consumer confidence. All right. Big US folder here. And then you see the manufacturing index just below it, both at 10. Okay. Other than that, though, there's nothing really happening. You have 9 a.m., a couple US folders, so it will have an impact, but nothing like red or orange news. Okay. Okay, so Goldie's trying to push down here. Nice rejection of the supply. Okay, let's take a look at NASDAQ. It's starting to hold. Okay, so we're in that nice little range here. It's out of 50 line. What about gold? Not really seeing much on gold at this current time. All right, it's in a wait zone for me, which means it's a no-go at this current time. You can see both levels around that 50 line. I want something different. Okay, when you get in on this, you got to continue the trend, and when it gets to that 50 line, the trend can reverse, have a pullback, and you can see that's what's happening on gold right now. Okay, you can see on the 15-minute. All right, you're getting a rejection coming in. Okay, so there's your pullback. It's coming back down to that 9 at the 4-hour. All right, so what could happen is a couple things. All right, so we're getting a nice little bounce out of supply here. If price holds, it can walk back up and make a new high, pushing it back to that 1650. If we're going to break, continue in the sell, we're going to start to sell back down to at least 1641. All right, so on the 5, here's what she's looking like. Nice selling opportunity starting to come into play here. All right. It's still not our time. 8:05 is my time. Okay, so we broke below the 9, starting to hold. All right, let's see if we can get maybe a little push back down to our maybe hourly, maybe daily. Let's watch. Okay. Okay, so my buying opportunities on gold, guys, at 1639. Okay, there's NASDAQ. Let's see what we got going on here. Just getting everything ready now. New hourly, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, let's go to the Dow. Okay, right back in to our demand. Here we go, coming in hot. Okay, so let's watch and see how we're going to get this short-term demand area on NASDAQ. All right, look at what we got going on here. This is a 3-bar play, guys. If we break here, if we break this demand, like I'm telling you, we're coming back down to an easy, maybe 11,380, 11,300, potentially anywhere around in this level down here. Okay, so let's just monitor this accordingly. Price is breaking hard. All right, you can see how that 805 candle is coming into play. So approaching this key level here, guys. This is all eyes are on here. So a couple things can happen. We can push here and then get a push to the upside. Okay. If we're going to break below, you can see price is going to push down, and all it's going to happen is you're just going to see the volume start to crush, continuing to the downside. Okay. Personally, I'm looking for sells. Okay. I think this might be a short-term retracement here. We're just getting through the 50 line now, so price is really starting to, gain a lot of traction to the downside. Okay, but I do believe we'll probably get some kind of push, like just some kind of pullback here. Okay, so we'll just watch and see. Let's see gold here too. Are we in and around our levels? Not yet. Okay, so 1639 would be a buying opportunity on gold. Okay. You got 100 points on Day Trading Lab. That's funny. We got 250 points in our group. So I'm glad we're catching the same moves here. And we have it actually proof. I can pull up the chart and everything. Guys, let's bump these likes to 300 here. Maybe we'll take a look at oil. Okay. We'll do maybe oil or GU, one of the two. But let's get these likes up. We've got about 428 people on here. If you guys want to see something new here, let's pump the likes and see how we go from there. Okay, so let's see if we can get... It's a no-go right now, guys. Look at that 50 line. Okay, no-go at this current time. I do think we can probably get back down selling into the 39 area, but we'll watch and see. Okay, so here's the Dow. Dow's best friend, NASDAQ. Okay, it's still below here, so let's get something ready. Go to the 15-minute. Okay, a lot of dirty wicks here. Okay, so here we're coming, guys. Okay, nice buying areas are starting to come into play short term. All right. Nothing's at our levels just yet. Members, I'm going to send you guys 2 GU trades. Okay, both levels for buys and sells. Okay, I want you to save these. And use them and write them on your chart. Okay, I'm going to send them in the Zoom call right here. Okay, so there's Goldie, looking like it's starting to get some momentum here. Remember we talked about that 9, and let's see the 200 again. Okay. Okay, there's the buying starting to come into play, guys. 200 likes, almost at that 300. All right, yeah, Spider-Man candles today, exactly. All right, so let's see if we can get that trend, guys. This is what I'm looking for right here. Okay, see price is starting to push. Let's see if we can hold this, respecting that 9 EMA. Okay, let's see if we can get maybe a push. I don't like where we're at right now. Guys, watch your spreads on gold too, please. Watch your spreads on gold. Okay, let's go take a peek at NASDAQ still. Okay, we're getting a little bit of buying momentum here, but just below. Okay, so we're coming to that death cross here, guys. Let's watch and see. I'm looking for a pretty clean rejection here if price wants to push back down. So let's just set this thing up for a potential sell. It's retesting here. Let's give it a little bit of momentum. Have your stop loss anywhere around in here. Maybe use this level, 11,425. Okay. Anywhere around in this, you can use the 9 EMA if you'd like to, 11,430. But let's just watch and see if we're going to get that continued sell, maybe dropping back down in this direction here, okay? Let maybe it pull back up too. You can see because in this structure we're a nice momentum support level. Okay, we're fixating on this opportunity right here. If price wants to pay out, if not, then it's just going to flip back and go bullish. Okay, 11,375 here. Let's take a one quick peek to the left. Okay, you can see the clean price structure we have from the bullish momentum. This was yesterday around 2. Okay, and you can see we're just consolidated in that overall push-pull movement here. But if we break, guys, and we can get back down to the data, that's a big, very big move. Okay, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but just patience. Okay, and this is not the time where you're just selling right away. Okay. Andrea, just look at the chart. Okay, it's going to be the best bet. You can see what we're using here, Global Prime. Okay, you can see, you can't see it live actually, but on my screen right here, members, you can see that there's a Global Prime broker right there. Okay, so we're going to see how that's going to react. Unfortunately, guys, I'm just reading some questions here. Unfortunately, the greatest thing and the worst thing about trading is the amount of brokers. Okay, now we cannot control what liquidity is being provided by which broker. Like, you guys got to understand, we just can't, right? We can't accommodate absolutely everyone. The key levels that we send, all right, they're based on key levels that can be applied pretty much on any broker. Okay, now KOTFX is going to be different from Fusion. Fusion is going to be different from Blueberry. Blueberry is going to be different from HankoTrade. HankoTrade is going to be different from whatever broker you decide to use, right? So you just got to understand that all liquidity is different. Okay, but candlesticks are not. That's the key thing. Okay, candlesticks are not. So you watch price. That's the best thing that you can possibly do. Okay, guys. YouTubers, what's going on? Yeah, guys, as stated here, it's I got about 250 in my Zoom room. I'm going to talk to them if I want, right? So now you guys have sound. Okay, so YouTubers, it's crazy how when I don't speak, everyone panics, right? But, just let me do my thing, all right? If I want to talk to my Zoom room, I'll talk to my Zoom room, all right? If we want to talk to YouTube, we'll talk to YouTube, all right? So, did someone mention no audio yet? Absolutely, we did. It probably looked like I was talking like a meme, absolutely, guys, but definitely was talking in the Zoom, just updating some of the guys on how different liquidity is coming to play with our trade ideas. Okay. All right, here we go. So NASDAQ got that nice little support level. Okay, beautiful move coming from demand. All right, nice opportunities here, still rising. Overall, let it play out. Remember, we set this right after. Okay, so we're going to see now if price is going to make a nice move up to the upside. All right, and if that's the case, then we'll adjust accordingly. But if we're going to get that rejection, we might get that continued sell. So we're going to watch and see. Guys, I like to think of it as current time goes on. 8:30 is the best time during this session for me to trade. A lot of the big news releases are launched at that time. Okay. Agent Smith, I don't want to say that, bro. I know you agreed. I just don't want to. I want to, but I don't. All right, guys. Okay, so Nasdaq's looking bullish so far. Okay, like it's looking like it's closing above that 9. Okay, which makes a lot of sense here coming at that demand. So you can see that engulfing candlestick here. Okay, so that is a bullish engulfing. We do have a tail. All right, but we're gonna watch and see the overall price though. Oh. There goes gold. Okay, gold. Let's see, guys. Just starting to break that trend. All right. We're selling gold. I guarantee it. It's breaking back down, coming down to 39. Okay, it's going to come back down here, and we're going to get to that 39 rough area. That's going to be my buy opportunities for maybe a quick 20 pips. So we'll watch and see. If we break, that is. Going to move that 9. Okay, one sec, guys. Sorry. Cross here. Get that thing down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so let's take a peek here. Still at that 50, guys. Nothing is it's no go for me right now still. Okay. Nothing can be done about that. You can see NASDAQ is still holding there above that 9. Okay. So nothing has broke below. You can see they're right at that 52. So this is another no-go for me. Okay. Just going to erase that for now and just sit back and relax. Going to wait till about 8:30. If this is the way it's going to be today, I am okay with that. I'm not willing to push and thread the needle here. Okay. It's not something I'm willing to do, especially during the live. All right. Okay, here we go. Just about 2 more minutes for this candle to break. Cam, how do you feel about sell opportunities from the 1 hours down to the daily on gold? I think gold is going to sell. Like I said, I have that quick opportunity here, but I have that level at 1639. Okay, that's going to be a nice buying opportunity. So we'll see how that's going to go. Watch your spreads too, guys. Okay, so here's the next level. Okay, you can see this structure right here, how consolidated it was. Okay, we pushed through it with a volume based institutional candle here. Okay, this thing is volume. All right, multiple rejections, and finally the buyers took control. All right, you can see now that because it was once acting as support, okay, this may be a nice acting as resistance, this may be a nice support level now. Okay, we've seen this multiple times during the lives. Okay, which means that it actually holds true. So if we don't break, that's why I chose this level right here, the hourly. All right, if we don't break here, okay, price is probably going to hold this support level structure, and then we can probably maybe see it walk to the upside. If we do break this level, I can see us falling back down, maybe picking up some volume anywhere around in here, maybe 1639, 1638. And you can see we're still around that 50. Okay, so nothing for me just yet. Okay. Goldie is... Okay, there we go, guys. Let's see if we can get that sell off back down to our 1639. Guys, I'm still running in that oil buy. Like, that's holding still very nice. Okay, so my opportunity for buying, we're coming right down in here. Okay. $16.39. If we break down here, okay, I'll have a nice little bit of stop loss. Maybe give it 37. Okay, and we're going to see how this is going to move if we get down here at all. Okay, so there we go. Initial sell is starting to come to play here. We've got about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, let's see if it's going to get a push back down. Okay, we'll take a peek at NASDAQ too. Okay, still fucking at that 50. Slow session, guys. It is one of those days. All right. Okay, so still holding above. All right, nothing breaking below just yet. Remember we talked about that support level. Ricardo, you can sell for sure. I'm just waiting to see if it's even breaking structure. The reason why I like it a little better of an opportunity there is because it could lead to a whole number, and it has previous buying. Right now, this thing, it doesn't have to drop. Like I said, this thing it could respect this level and start to walk to the upside. If you feel confident selling here, yeah, then we can sell back down to the 1639. Absolutely. Right? I just don't like that it's holding support right now. Okay, this is a potential trade. Like I said, this might not happen right now. I'm looking for more in about 50 seconds to see that 830 volume. Okay, that's why I told you 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, all 15 minutes. Okay. Timing is important, guys. Trust me, very important for a lot of trading. Okay. The oil trade is paying off the best, guys. Okay, so Goldie's closing back down. All right. You can see it's just closing below here, guys. Let's see if it's going to sell. Or we're going to pick up that volume. Okay, there we go. Slowly breaking down here, guys. Nice big M pattern coming from supply. Let's see if we can get back down here. All right, here we go. 8:31, just about 4 minutes. Sorry, 3 minutes and 45 seconds here. Okay, let's take a look at NASDAQ again. Do you share potential position entries in your YouTube Zoom post and your Discord group? Yep. Yep. We do. Let's go over one. Okay, so see what I mean, guys, about just here's the retest of the break. So nothing broke down there. Okay, so see what I mean? It's starting to slowly break down. Very slow today, guys. Very slow. Look at NASDAQ still holding here. All right. Gotta love Tuesdays. Okay, let's go take a peek. Maybe let's look at GU here. Same shit, different day. Kendall, I joined the trading group. Can I update to the next level without paying twice? Yep, just send us an email. We'll get you set up. We'll most likely let your membership run out, and then we'll make that switch just so you can get in. But send us an email. We might be able to help you out a little bit further, okay? Okay, let's take a look at this DXY, guys, because this thing, all right. As much as I love what we're doing here, look at this. Nothing has even moved, okay? This is just hovering around. We've had no test on demand here, no test on supply. So, okay, there's GU. Oil is getting oily. Getting, oh, nice, 200 buckaroonies on oil. Okay, look at gold dropping a bit. Look at the Dow. Ooh, I like it. We had an oil buy. Oh, yeah. Okay, gonna send the free oil. Oh, look at that. That thing is pumping, guys. Wow. Just got a nice update. We sent a oil buy from 83.5. Let's see what that level looks like. 83.5. Okay, look at that perfect double bottom here. This thing is ripping, and you can see that price is about 57 pips running. All right. We just got an update from our Discord as I'm doing this. 1 second here, guys. It's gonna get oily in here. So if you guys want to see how this works, let's see if I can get that chart here. Okay, so you guys can see here. Here's the how we set it up. Okay, 83.5 simple stop loss at 83. Okay, so it's about a 50 pip stop, and our TP is at 84.5. So it's perfect double bottom here for the continuation. All right, so that's a nice move. All right, thanks for the update, guys, and we can see live that this thing is still pushing. Okay, so let's get back to our other stuff. Look at the Dow Jones. Look at the oil versus Dow. My goodness. Look at gold here dropping down, guys. Okay, so Goldie's starting to have that continuation. All right, close below. We're still walking down. It's weird how oil and gold are doing some opposite trading here. We'll watch. Yeah, guys, oil's a bit different here. That's why we send the charts. Like I said, remember we talked about the liquidity? Okay, there's NASDAQ holding. Okay, guys, if you want to see the oil trade, $260 on oil, Dave's thanks. So here, congratulations, bro. Now the thing is, if you made that kind of cake, I suggest you walk away, man, because people go to work, okay, and they don't make sometimes that in the day, and you made it within an hour, okay? So just, you know, don't get greedy on this, okay? Look at gold still selling off here. I need some sort of routine or technique. Any ideas? Yeah, just practice, man. That's the best thing that I could say. Just practice. If you need some methods, watch our YouTube channel. We do have some educational videos that we post daily. We do have some trade recaps that we post. Yeah, the stuff on YouTube's free, guys. We do have a group too if you want to join. We do have some content in the back, over I think it's 80 webinars now of real trading topics that need to be talked about. How to set up a trading journal, what are red folders, how to trade red folders, what are pips, lot spreads, what is forex trading, and so on and so on. So to develop a routine takes time, and to adjust your personal life and your schedule. All right, so here we go, guys, on oil. And Goldie's starting to sell off too. Guys, I am going to secure my oil trade. I'm very happy with it. Okay, around 250 bucks too. I'm out. Parak GU seems like a risky setup. Then don't take it, bro. Then leave it alone. Walk away. Okay. Okay, guys, here we go. We're walking down to our 1639. So my man Ricardo. All right. Remember you talked about shorting it? Absolutely. Okay. Look at that nice short you could have had here. That could have been maybe a combined total of 17 pips. Okay. It's a nice move. All right. Ricardo, you're in profit. Good for you, bro. Nice. Agent Smith, you made 500 on oil. I'm proud of you, bro. I remember when you first started. That's crazy, man. For real. That's crazy. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at NASDAQ here. Oh, guys, where's Nasty? Okay, let's set up our opportunities on NASDAQ again. Okay, just below. Let's see if we can get that continuation. About 11,400 here, guys. Okay, so we'll set that up. And remember, we talked about stop losses anywhere around in here, just above. Adjust accordingly based on your structure. Okay. Ricardo, hit your daily target, only needed 10 pips. Okay, now you don't need to trade anymore, right? That's the key. Okay, so let's check out gold. Okay, guys, here we go. We're right at 1639. All right, let's see how we're going to get this push. It hasn't tapped just yet. It's about a pipette away. Not a tap yet. Okay, let's see if we can get that push. 1639.5. Okay. Okay, guys, I jumped in at 1639, got filled at 1639.5. Okay, small lot size. We're going to see how it's going to play out. Okay, I'm running 10 pips right now, guys. There we go. 12, 15, nice. No, 12, sorry, 11, 10. If this holds, guys, this is going to be a double bottom here. I'm telling you right now. 13 pips, made 130 so far in that trade. Let's see if we can get that tap of 1641. Okay. Okay, so let's go take a look at that DXY real quick. I manually executed that, guys. I didn't have anything sitting there. Look at GU starting to push. Okay. Look at the DXY starting to sell off here. You put it just under the 1639. That's why. Okay, Nasdaq is still not breaking down yet. Still in that demand. Okay, look at Goldie starting to hold. Are we overly bearish on gold? Yeah, I would say gold on the daily and higher time frames is bearish, but this is 5 minutes, right? And this is out of demand here, guys. Okay, short-term demand zone. Remember, you guys are looking for higher time frame stuff all the time, looking for demand. All right, you can see that you can find them on the lower time frames too. Okay, so this trade, guys, if you would have executed it, right, honestly, your spreads would have filled you here if you had the limit order. All right, they would have. Okay, and it just almost tapped. Like I said, it's almost 20 pips running. So, but if you didn't execute it yet, look, where you can break it down. Okay, you missed the trade, so what? All right, but look what you can learn. Okay, there's heavy buying pressure to the left. Okay, and you can see if you're looking for a quick couple scalps, gold is it's tough because the spreads and commission. That's why I told you to watch your spreads. Okay, but if you just follow price, look for the left structure. Okay, you'll be able to see that you could probably collect 15, 20 pips, no problem. My man Ricardo caught the sell. I don't know if he caught the buy, but if he caught both, he could be done within the matter of a support level break and then a support level demand level hold. Okay, and then there goes gold, guys. I made $200 on that gold trade alone. Okay, I made 130 on the first, and then I made 63 on the second. All right. Did anyone hold that gold? Anyone get it on there? This is what we were waiting for right now, guys. Okay, like I told you, the Ricardo, you caught the sell, okay, but what I was looking for is that buy area. All right. So let's watch and see if we're gonna get that continuation, guys. Oh, what the hell? Why is no one updating me? What's going on here? Look at oil. Oil's Bay, guys. Oil's the real daddy. Look at that thing. 75 pips. My man, there we go, guys. Crazy. Everything's starting to go bullish now, guys. All right. Numbers in about 5 seconds, you're going to see an update in the Discord. Okay, so don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy on gold here. That trade actually ran about 34 pips. We can get pushed back down, no problem. Okay, but if you're still ready to hold, this is what you do. Okay, if you're not comfortable having that wide of a stop loss now, move it a little tighter. Okay, move it at the bottom of that daily. Okay, and then you can see what we're doing here. Okay, so what time is it? Okay, 8:48, guys. My man Pita Panda says we should aim for 400 likes. I like pitas and I like pandas, so let's respect that. Okay. Inga, I have no idea about GU. If there was something sent to the Discord, then you guys got to watch that. I'm not going to do it right now. Okay, so I am currently not in any trades at this time, guys. Like I said, I caught the oil buys, I caught 2 gold buys, and from before the yesterday, I had a gold sell and a Nasdaq sell. Okay. Trying not to do as many trades as I used to do, guys. There was times where I would hammer out, 15 trades a day, all right, have a decently okay win rate, but then, the over trading would catch up with me. In fact, I'll give him a shout out for sure. I saw Raja say that, emotionally, we as humans can only take 2, maybe money or emotional decisions a day. And that really hit me because I'm a big believer in mindset too. I actually have a mindset and personal development and business coach. And when I brought that up to him, he said it was in our schedule to talk about, but it was just ahead of the time. So if one person's talking about it, fantastic. But if you get brought up again, I wanted to share that with you. The more trades you do, guys, the more opportunity the house has on you to lose. Okay? Christy, no, I did not say that. I did not say that. He also said 5-minute trading don't work. Everyone has their own views for sure. I like 15-minute too, guys. A lot of our trades are set on 15. So, anyways, I just like what was said about the emotional mind and how we as traders or humans can perceive maybe and react more than what it's to do with. So, okay, guys, so you can see that hourly support now is acting as a little bit of resistance here. Okay, and you can see we're pushing back down. All right, so let's watch and see here. We have that new hourly 9 a.m. candle, all right, coming in. And, it's important for us to realize that if you're still in that trade, guys, just monitor. They're not going to run forever, all right? Remember, we on 5 minutes have pullbacks, okay? Marcus, 4 trades a day at 200 is enough for me, absolutely. I know there's people who would kill to make that kind of trades. And to be honest with you, that's like almost an average that you make here with SST. Also, 4-hour candles. Yeah, you want to look at the higher time frame candles, guys. Absolutely. Okay. And why you want to look at the higher time frame candles is to get the overall trend, and then you look on the lower time frames for your entries. Okay. Go. There we go, guys. Let's see. Do we add another buy here? Let's see if that's going to hold. Okay, I added a small buy on that. See if that's going to push through. My stop loss is going to be that daily here. S&P most stable of indices holding range. Nice. We haven't really looked at S&P so far. So that means Nasdaq's holding. Oh, guys, oil is just pure sexiness today. Okay, look at Nasdaq, guys. Nothing broke below here, so it is what it is. All right. Goldie's pushing up. All right. Oil is so loyal. It's as crisp as tin foil. All right. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Members, you guys should be basting in your trade TP hit for 100 pips. Enjoy your trade, guys. That is a 100 pip move sent from our Discord, and it's still running. Good for you. Okay, let's see if Goldie's starting to push too. Gent, you got 5K on oil. Let's see it. I love it. That's amazing. Oh, let's see, guys. Let's see if we can get that gold push here. Let's see if we can maybe tap that 4-hour. Benz, did you grab it? Okay, a little bit of push. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm running 4 pips on that added buy here, okay? I'm looking for a TP of maybe that 4-hour, 15-minute. Okay, let's see where the 9 EMA is. Okay, so we're right on the 9, okay? Right on the 9. 200 is still above. Okay, right there. We're just starting to close above that 9. A little bit of push down. Okay, let's take a look at our scanner right now here too. Okay, so a little rejection coming in. Okay, so nothing. You have oil here starting to show overbought. All right. Tapping at 79. Okay, so we might get a little short-term retracement on oil. Okay, you can see gold is pulling back too. All right. So we're going to see how this is going to move in that new hourly. Okay. Where's that 9? There we go. Perfect. Okay, so here we go. Last 5 minutes, guys. If you didn't trade anything yet and you're just sitting and watching here from maybe one of the gold buys, don't enter in anything before the new hourly. Okay, do not enter in anything before the new hourly time frame. All right, J. Lee Dakley, what are some places I can go to learn to trade forex? You want to, baby pips is a good one. Okay, if you want free. All right, but they're not really gonna. They'll tell you some basics, right? But if you want some more advanced stuff, kind of like from real traders, okay, there's a lot of obviously groups out there, but you can check us out, stocksnipertrading.com, and then go from there. All right. Yeah, here I've seen that one too. Okay, so gold is pulling back here. Nice rejection at the 9 EMA. All right, you can see now that we're most likely, if we're going to hold and break that support right here, okay, we're going to come back down and probably fill that wick. All right, so give us some time here. It'd be nice if we could get it past supply or even in around this area, but again, look at the momentum starting to come into play here. A lot of rejection at this current time. So it's also the new hourly change up, okay, which is going to have a lot to do with it. So let's just watch and see. My man Ronnie just stepped on the chat here, guys. All right. Make sure to give Ron some love. Okay, so let's take a look at NASDAQ here. Still consolidated. Horrible trading on NASDAQ. Look at GU, guys. Okay. You can see the DXY. Okay, this is perfect, guys. This is what wanted to see here. Okay, so take a look. We're now in that demand level, okay, on our DXY. All right, finally we got some kind of movement here. The new hourly is changing up. All right, so are we going to find level of support here, or are we going to smash through and tap our next possible level right down here? Okay, that's what we're going to watch for right now. That is a volume based candle here, guys. Okay, there's a lot of volume in that. Okay, so let's watch and see. We might get a short-term pullback and tap the 9 EMA and then maybe fall back down. Okay, and if not, this thing's just going to fall probably to 11,860. Okay, so the new hourly, let's watch the new hourly change up on the DXY. Earl here from South Africa, my man Earl. What's going on, big man? Welcome to the stream, bro. Hopefully you're learning a few things, and mad respect from joining us from South Africa, guys. Here's a cool one. Where's everyone from? You know what I mean? I used to ask this. Oh shit! There we go. Where's everyone from, guys? Got that new hourly change up. Let's see if we can get some momentum. Got some Sydney, Pakistan, Canada, Regina. Nice, guys. All right. South Africa, Germany, gold buying, UK, Kuwait, Malaysia, New York. Guys, this is sweet here, okay? Mad love, mad respect from all around the world. All right, there is also one channel that I want to give a shout out to, okay? It's called Bookmap, all right? Members, we have a session with the co-founder this Wednesday, so tomorrow at 2 p.m. in our private Discord, okay? We're going to be going over Bookmap and talking about, oh, there's gold, guys. I told you, it's the holding that buy. And we're going to be going over live liquidity, and it's going to be recorded. So if you guys are having any questions about Bookmap tomorrow at 1, guys, I'm running 8 pips, a nice $80 TP. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm going to secure right here. Okay. This thing, I have a feeling every time I do close, it's going to pop off. I guarantee it. Let's see if this thing's going to run. But yeah, guys, Bookmap, okay? Let's see if I can do this without going nuts. Okay, we got NASDAQ going bullish here. We didn't catch any NAS buys. Okay, Harry, it's not on the schedule because we just planned it. And there we go. There goes the gold buy. Look at that thing, guys. Double bottom here. Okay, there we go, guys. Let's see if we can get that tap of supply here. Oil's down. I'm okay with that. I don't give a shit about oil right now. I care about gold. Look at that trade, guys. Look at that. Bents, we already hit our TP though. Remember that. 100 pips is our general TP. Okay? If they go past that, you know, it is what it is. Okay, guys, 902 here. All right? 902. That move, let's take a peek here. And this, that's about a 50 pip move, guys. That's about a 50 pip move here. Okay, you can see from top entry to pip, to wick, you're looking at about a nice 50 pip TP. Okay. Now, guys, I know we're here to trade. Okay. I know we're here to trade, but do you guys understand why I chose the buy over the sell? Like, do you guys understand this method right here for me? Because I had one guy who sold here and he still did well. Okay, like we could have all said let's sell here and go for maybe 20 pips. Okay, but do you see the move that was looking to the left? Like, do you see how you're looking at demand zone? Like, it's zone to zone, guys. Like, this is, and if we do get gold going bullish and we tap here, then it really is zone to zone. Okay, so I know some traders, they just want trade ideas going off all day, but if you don't take the time to learn how to even take them or what to look for, all right, it's very hard. This trade was sent to our group, guys, like YouTube. I'm telling you right now, this was sent to our Discord at what time here? Okay, let me take a look at it 1 second. At 8:30, okay? So where are we at right here? So 8:35 here, okay? So this was sent ahead of time, so that's why I set it up. And then you can see 8:40 is when it started to take play, okay? But what we're doing, looking at this, is our system spots key levels, okay, where price has been, you know, a lot of volume buyers stepping in, and this was the level, okay? So that's why we chart it up, and you can see the pinpoint entry, okay? Yeah, so 9:04. We got 1 minute left here. I'm just trying to talk until that first 5 minute, guys. You know, I always wait the first five of any kind of hourly before doing anything here. Let's go take a peek at oil really quick. Everything kind of bought. There's oil, guys. Okay. Okay, so we're right back down coming. Okay, so let's go back to gold here. Okay, and then one thing, guys, just trying to update here the chat. Okay, good. Can you enter an 83.5 for a static level for oil? Watch price. Okay, so let's go to YouTube for one quick second here. $730 people. Mad love, guys. I want you to go, like, there's not a lot of people on here right now, okay, on Bookmap, but this is crypto, okay? Not a lot of people want to do live crypto, but what I want to do, I want you to see, guys, is this Bookmap platform. Okay, this is what we're going to be reviewing tomorrow at 2. Okay, it might take a little bit of time to load here and stuff like that, but this is the overall platform that we're going to be going over. This is the one we trade with live in our private Zoom room. Okay, it talks about live liquidity. Okay, and it's very it's a little expensive, okay, but it's, if you're a die-hard trader and you understand you want to focus on liquidity, okay, this is probably one of the best platforms that we recommend. All right, so go check them out here if you guys want to see it. The crypto trading, maybe it isn't your thing. It's not my thing. I don't like trading crypto live, but you know, you can see they do some other things there. Okay, so I just wanted to give them a shout out, guys, and you know, show them a little bit of love, because we have the co-founder Bruce coming privately to our Discord tomorrow to be going over everything with our guys. Okay. So with that being said, guys, you can see gold is still pushing up here. What's the static level on oil again, Dave? Anthony, my man. Okay, 1 second here. Okay, there goes Goldie. Okay, still running here. Oh, guys. Wow. Hi, I'm from Pakistan. What's going on, brother? I am from Canada. Okay. Still almost hitting there. Got 908, guys. Still pushing. All right, guys. I think we have well over 300 likes here. This might be a battle of what we decide to do. But with that being said, what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to watch more NASDAQ? Like, we didn't really trade indices today. We just kind of looked at commodities, and you can see gold. We waited for, all it takes is one gold trade, and you're good to go. All right. Look, look at this. Okay, like, this is big moves, guys. Like this is gonna hit our 100 pip TP. If it gets up there to 48, okay, that's our trade complete. All right, and you're gonna see an update in our Discord for the now third trade today that's hit all TPs. GU buy just hit 100 pips. Okay, so there's this will be our fourth trade. All right, I'm just watching the updates happen right now. That hits TP. I like your voice, bro. I like your comment about my voice. Ricardo Little, this is the only group that has trade ideas that actually work. Ricardo, and I'll tell you why, bro. I'm going to pause YouTube so they don't need to hear this. Okay, guys. So here we're running here. Hello from Japan, my man, Ahmed Hassan. Touch your nose. Just did it for you, bro. Okay, so we got the likes here. It doesn't matter what we trade, guys. Honestly, I like the Dow. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, erase that 9. Do you guys want to see it top down on Dow? Like it's, you guys want to see that? You guys let me know. We got, it's 911. I hate that number. But, you know, if you guys want to see a top down, unless you guys just want to see a trade. You want to see a trade level? You let me know. William, my man. I also want to inform you that I'm watching from China. Yes, guys. Please bring it on. Bring me all the pad thai, all the sushi. Give me all of it, man. I want it all. Okay, we'll do a top down. Okay, so definite, you know, daily support level. All right. Okay, we got some nice resistance level coming in at the top. Josh, you bring me a hot pot, bro. Oh, buddy. Oh, I have my coffee here, guys. I have my coffee, and it says, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. That's what it is. Okay, let's go to 4 hour here. Okay, just gonna update that real quick. Get the bottom here and the top. All right, look at this. This looks pretty promising, guys. Okay, like I got some nice 4 hour support holding. If they break that 4 hour support, guys, this thing's coming back to the daily. Let's take a look at the. Okay, no real divergent play here yet. Okay, nice 4 hour resistance. Okay, we'll go back to gold in a second, guys. One day you're gonna believe. In SST. Okay, there we go. Nice hourly resistance here. Respect the bull today. Okay, let's respect, guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Yesterday, by the way, we bounced off YouTube and went in the Zoom room, and that was the funnest session that I've had all week. It was private. We actually caught that Dow sell, and it dropped about 50 pips. It dropped about 50 pips. It was nice. Okay, so I got some hourly resistance, 4-hour support. Gonna mark that hourly support to the left. You can see from the wick. All right, 1-hour support. Okay, 1 second here, guys. Okay, our resistance here going to drop to the 15. Okay, so no real 15 levels that I can see personally. Okay. I can't wait to show you guys gold. Okay, that'll be a 15-minute resistance level just right there. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute now. Okay, here we go. This is the levels that I wanted to see right here. 5-minute. Okay, so 5-minute, we're in a little bit of supply here. Let's just watch. Okay, so just wait. It's a lot of bull momentum. Okay. Oil push back up. Guys, what happened to Goldie here? Yeah. Guys, what's going on with gold here? 1639, 1649 TP here. Let's see if we can get that 100 pip move live. Come on, daddy. Show us what you're made of. 1649. Right there. That thing taps, that's 100 pips live. Fully sent to our trade idea system. E-Ray, my man. Okay, breaking through supply, guys. Look at the key level here that we're continuing. Yeah, this is nuts. Your attitude is great, so the trading sessions. Okay, I appreciate that, bro. Sometimes it's hard. It's a little hard, man. You don't see the messages we get. Guys, this hits. This is 4 trades that have hit all TP today. Like, if this thing taps, through NASDAQ, yeah, we're just going to wait. I just want to see if this thing's going to tap. How many members in our community? Almost 1,000. 1,000 plus. And to be honest with you guys, the best is yet to come. We're developing two things right now that I cannot wait to share with you. I'm not going to spill the beans on what it is, but I cannot wait. But you are going to see this thing take off. Come on, just tap it. Just tap. It's right there, guys. There you go. $100 pips live, zero effing drawdown. Like, come on here. If you guys don't give me some love, I'm telling you right now, I'm going off YouTube. This is 4 trades that have hit TP today: gold, Dow, Nasdaq, and oil. Okay. I'm personally done for the day. Like, if you guys want to know the truth, I'm done. Okay. So we're gonna watch everything here at 9:20, but I'm not taking any more trades here. Okay. I'm gonna flip to a demo account and just have some fun with this thing. All right. Where's my man Shahibi? Guys, I just want to give one shout out to my man here. His name is Shahab, and very close friend of mine, like a blood brother to me. Okay. Unfortunately, he lives in Iran right now, and if you guys know what's going on in Iran, it's no joke. Okay. Pretty emotional times. So if you guys want to give a shout out to Shahab for helping with my community here, it would greatly appreciate me. It would make me feel really good. Just to know that we're helping a brother of SST and showing him some love when there is some dark times ahead right now. So all right, guys. One more thing. I really want to show you something here. It's really good. It's something you guys always want to do when you know you're having a good trading day. When you're having a good trading day, you gotta have some good trading fun. This is the Goldie right here, my man. Every time we hit a gold trade, we have to go give praise to my man here. Is it golden here or is it just me? Okay. This is Shahab right here showing off the gold he just made, and we're good to go. Okay. All right. Perfect, guys. Let's get back down to business here. I know it's all fun and games. If you guys understand, you guys understand. If you don't, there's plenty of other YouTube channels that you can go to. All right. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at NASDAQ real quick. Okay, a little bit of supply zone area coming into here. Look at that big continuation we got. All right, nothing took place down there. Didn't even enter the area. All right, so now we're working with key levels right here. Okay, so let's watch and see. Okay, we're right in some supply. We've known this for quite some time. A lot of volume being pushed. Okay, so let's see maybe a nice trade coming in here. I think that person picture is from India. It could be. I thought it was Shahab. Okay, guys, this looks like a pretty good opportunity here for maybe a continuation sell. Let's watch and see here. All right. Right in that supply pushing through. So we'll watch. Don't enter in prematurely, guys. let it do its thing here. Always wait till 9:30. It's only 9:23. Okay, we got a little bit of price action going bullish. All right. So price can get to maybe 11,480, 490, before maybe any kind of continuation. But let's watch and see how this is going to move. Okay. $11,466. And we'll just wait till the market open here, okay? So let's go take a look at the Dow. We're going to definitely set some alarms here. Going to delete this one. Okay, nice new alarm on NASDAQ. Wow, gold's just crazy bullish, guys. Nice double bottom here. We'll do a recap for you guys on this for YouTube. Okay, I know it's live here, but we will show you the trade that got sent and then how this played out. Okay, and you can see the run that it's actually making. All right, and then you can see the Dow coming in here. Okay. Carlos, just wait for GU on the pullback. Okay, just focus on what we're doing now and go from there. All right, let's take a look real quick here. 31551. Okay, so we're really away from that right now. Okay, nice opportunities that I have up here. 31551, too high. Okay, so we're going to watch the Dow here, see how this is going to move. I'm going to take a look at NASDAQ here. All right. Why didn't you go for that double bottom? Because I think we're focusing on gold and oil. Okay, so let's watch NASDAQ. Okay, a little bit better of a trade opportunity here. So I'm going to focus on both. But NASDAQ is in a nice opportunity. We've got 3 minutes left. All right, coming into our supply. All right, got a nice little wick rejection coming in here. Okay, so guys, just give it 5 minutes. Let's watch and see. Okay, so if you're new, guys, just please, yesterday this happened too. If you're new, don't trade the 9:30 New York stock candle. Maybe wait 5 to 10 minutes. All right, use no more than 1%. Use stop loss and trading where applicable. Remember, we're not advisors here. This is just basically technical and fundamental analysis. All right. Everything is pumping now, guys. Just keep that in mind. Everything is starting to pump. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Let's go check out gold real quick. Watch NASDAQ here too. My moves on NASDAQ, it's too far away. We'll adjust accordingly. Gold is still pushing. Ay, ay, ay. Caught it from the bottom, guys. That's nuts. All right. So let's watch and see NASDAQ here. Got about 2 minutes left. Oil's still pumping. Yeah. Unfortunately, guys, the rules we said was only 100 pip TP. So if it's still running, that would be you guys adjusting accordingly on this. You know what I mean? So Okay. And Sean, I don't care about that. I just care about working with the ones we have. That's why we cap it. For real. Okay. So let's watch, guys. See the big push we got coming in 30 seconds. Let's watch and see the momentum that we're getting ourselves into here. Okay. Again, don't just hammer buys and sells if you're not confident with this and you don't understand risk management. Your stop loss for this would be roughly above the daily, okay? Because if we go continue bullish, this thing's going to push, all right? Got about 6 seconds, guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so new candle opened up here. Remember I told you, give it some time if you're not comfortable. The 5-minute volume of this is going to be extreme. There you go. See what I mean? Let the first 5-minute play out. All right, no one should be taking anything. You can see the volume flip script. All right, and you can see it closing above here, looking for the continuation of the buys. Where can we get to? All right, the Dow Jones is probably running the same flat here. Okay, probably get to 11,510 for sure, 11,520, 550. All right, so you can see we're starting to continue the break through that supply with the push. All right, let's take a look at the Dow real quick. Okay, you can see gold. Holy shit, guys, gold is back at 1654. Wow. Look at the Dow here, still in that supply level. Okay, nothing is really taken off. NASDAQ had the boom. All right. And you can see it's still holding. Okay, so just like yesterday, guys, all right, remember that's a key level supply, but when we broke above it here and we started to hold, all right, it's very key and for us to realize that these levels are both good for buying and selling in terms of structure holds. Okay, so nothing took place. All right, we're going to erase this. No trade even took place on this. It just went bullish here. Okay, so we'll come back, we'll find something else. Let's take a look at US 30 now. Okay, we'll see what we can get out of that. And then there goes the Dow Jones right up here. Okay, if we can get to 31,551, all right, I'm going to switch this to green. Okay, we're going to make this a demand. I want to set a key level for the Dow. Okay. Okay, so what do we got here? 1 second. I set it before. Let's see what we got here. 31551.7. Let's see if we can get it up there, guys. Okay, let's see if we can get the price to continue. 315512. All right. Okay, NASDAQ is pumping, guys. Very nice. Gold too. All right, got that big put. Holy hell, guys, look at gold. What of NASDAQ? It's still pushing. Okay, looking good. Look at that volume candle here. It's still running, guys. Okay. Okay, so nothing took supply over. This is holding now. Let's act and update this real quick. Okay. Let's switch this over to a demand level. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, a lot of price manipulation here, still continuing. All right, big push. Okay, let's see the Dow here. Okay, we're starting to push, guys. Let's see if we can get up there. Okay, there we go. Still continuing. Okay, here we go, guys. About 6 seconds here. 9:30 is just opened up. It's still the first 5 minute candle. Okay, you guys understand that? Remember our rules. Wait for the first 5 minute, and here we go. Okay, so still holding. Okay, here we go, guys. Now I'm starting to look. Okay, first 5 minutes has just started to pass. You can see the rejection starting to happen here. Okay, you can see that we're starting to crash back down. Oh, guys, shit. Let's go check out NASDAQ here. Look at GU, guys. Come on. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we're going to get on NASDAQ. All right. 11,466. Is this thing going to fall below? That's what we want to see here. Remember that demand level? Let's see. Okay. Don't enter in right now, guys. That's not the time. Just watch and see. We're going to see if we get to this level here. Okay. If not, it's going to hold demand here. Okay. You can see the levels, and we're going to start to continue to the upside. A lot of buyers here. Okay. There we go. It's still buying. Wow. Look at this. Crazy. Oh, guys, look at gold. My goodness. Sean, thanks for saving me not getting in. Just wait, guys. I'm telling you right now. If you guys caught the buys, congrats. All right? We're just going to watch now. I told you like I wasn't even really trading. Do you guys remember that? I said that about maybe 20 minutes ago. All right? So I'm just watching right now. I do want to see NASDAQ though. I really think that these moves are going to have their subtle retracement at some point. Okay? But we'll watch. Yeah, we do have big earnings today, absolutely. Okay, about a minute left here. 10 a.m. we got the red folder, guys. Okay, 10 a.m. we got the red folder. go. They're not letting this thing drop just yet. Remember, this is the 5, guys. Look at the 15-minute. Can still hold. Okay, but check this out. Look at the consolidation breakout that we had here. Okay, remember, flag pattern here in between supply and demand. This is the breakout candle. Okay, we were just looking for an area of supply to look for the sell. All right, but we've broken above here now, so we made a new leg up. Okay, so if we don't drop below here, guys, like I'm telling you, this thing, they're just going to fill the wick and it's going to continue. This is exactly what happened on the Dow yesterday. But if we do break down and we get near that level again, we'll watch and see price, how it's going to react in this now maybe demand level. Okay. Oh, that's a big drop, guys. 11,466. That's the key area right here. And remember, we have news at 10, just to remind you guys. All right, so if nothing pops off here, we have another opportunity to maybe find another trade. Okay. Okay, see, nothing's dropping, guys. So see what I mean? Just like yesterday. We broke through critical level, retraced a bit, and then you can see the support level in demand is starting to hold. Okay, this is a perfect example of how to break a supply zone and then how it turns into a lot of buying opportunities here. Okay, so we haven't really checked out the DXY yet. I like to wait and see. It's about 9:45. Okay, and oh, ugh. Did anyone see this DXY drop? Yeah. Look at that thing. That's nuts, guys, eh? So see how they broke that key structure at 111.8? Guys, the stream is lagging because you're on YouTube. Okay. If you guys were in our private Zoom, there's no lag. It's straight. Okay, and then there's the push, guys. Still continuing. Nice buying opportunities happening. All right. There's Goldie. The Dow has still not reached our critical level that I'm looking for an opportunity. Okay. The only areas that I'm looking for are right up here. Okay. That's the only area that I'm looking for at this time on the Dow Jones. So let's watch. Okay, so there's a sell. Oh shit. Okay, so choppy open, guys. Okay, so there we go. Look at this, guys. Still continuing. The 9:45 candles coming up here. Okay. at that, guys. Big push. Okay. Continuing, guys. We're going bully, guys. Look at that thing go. All right. Let's go see. Everything is pushing, guys. Oh my God. 1658, guys. That's a 200 pip move on gold. Holy hell. Wow, wow, wow. We're approaching, guys. Here we go. My man, Big Luke. Luke, stay on this call. Stay on there right now, buddy. Let me make you my man admin here. Moderator Luke. There we go. Okay, so nice rejection coming in at this level. Okay, if we get in that mark here, you can see the rejection. How many times did we sell off here? Okay. Today at 2:30, this is the Dow sell we caught. All right. It's in our Discord. This is the one that hit our TP for 100 pips. So that's the same level, guys. It's the exact, almost same level that I'm looking for the sells. Everything is flying, guys. NASDAQ is a rocket. Big moves, guys. Big freaking moves. Okay, let's get ready to rock here. Let's see if we can get the impulsive push. Okay, here we go. Get ready, guys. Let's see the new candle open up here. Okay. Starting to push past here. We are in a bullish trend. Okay, just wait, guys. 31552. Okay, I'm waiting for the candle to close, guys. I want to see this thing push past. Okay, let's take a look. Higher time frame. All right, this thing is extremely bullish. All right, but I want to see the candle close. Okay, there we go. 31552. Okay, so here we go, guys. Let's see how this is going to take play. I'm not going in just yet. Let's see if we can get a continuation maybe to the downside from 31552. All right. Let it play out. Don't just hammer your sells here. Okay. Let's see if it starts to actually even get there. Okay, here's the pullback from the bull trend here. Okay, so remember, this thing may not stick down below. Let's just watch and see if this thing's actually going to retrace back down, or if this is just a liquidity grab for the continuation to the upside. Okay, so you can see here they're still floating bullish. Shouldn't we wait? That's what I'm saying. There's news at 10. That's exactly why, guys. I'm just setting it up now, showing you guys what's going on here. Please calm down in this content section. I love it, guys. It's like a trading floor here. News could reverse the index. Let's watch and see here. Okay, so let it push, let it do its thing. We're still bullish here, guys. That's what I'm telling you. All right. Look at gold. Starting to get a little retraced here. Okay, look at NASDAQ. You got a big boner candle here. All right. So here we go. About 8 minutes, guys. What's the news at 10? Let's go take a look. Absolutely. Let's go take a peek at this. All right. We'll set that up here, ready to go. Okay, and we'll go take a look. I got my man bombarding me with reminders here. I love it. Okay, so let this thing play, guys. All right. So you'll see the yellow boxes in there. That is the GOAT speaking right now. Okay, he's telling me to remind you guys what's going on. We didn't do any London sessions, but we had really good trades sent. Okay, this is right now we have post New York. Okay, on our private Zoom room. It's basically going to probably recapping some of the trades we did today, but setting up some live trades leading into then our New York, okay, post trading workshop. All right, we're going to be talking about recaps and trades here, but also probably going over a few different, opportunities and skills in the market. Okay, you can see then we have a back testing session, which we're probably going to raid oil and probably gold in terms of commodities for seeing how these trades picked up. So guys, like I said, I just flipping over because I got a couple minutes till 10 o'clock, but there is no other group. Okay, you might see them better at social media, you might see them better at this, but there's no other group that can hold the schedule down like we do. So for what you're actually getting, guys, if you break it down, if you guys wanted to join a membership, I'm just telling you, $60, it's $2 a day. That's literally cutting your cup of coffee, and you could join us and learn how to make pips. All right, but we'll talk about this a little later. I just wanted to show you that. Let's focus back on the news now. Okay, here we go. Big continuations here, guys. Nothing reversed. Okay, strong buying momentum coming from the overall demand here. All right, coming from the overall demand. This thing is has a lot of strength. Okay, we're right at the daily now. All right, we're starting to break through. Okay, we're going to add a level of supply in here, and we're going to see if this is going to push or pull. Okay, a lot of strength pushing. There we go. Still continuing in the overall trend. Okay. 5 minutes until news, guys. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look at we are heavily overbought here. Okay, about 81. Not to say that that matters, because price can still move. Extremely bullish here. Okay, let's take a look at our 9 EMA in 200. Okay, there's the 9. We have the 200 just below, right in demand here. You can see that's where they picked up the buying volume. All right, so let's give it 5 more minutes, and we're going to go over that news real quick leading into the actual news itself. Okay, so here's what we have, guys. Consumer confidence. All right, so why traders care. Let's read this. All right, financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of the overall economic activity. Okay, so what's it about? Survey about 3,000 households, which asks for respondents to rate the relative level of current future economic conditions, including their labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. So this is going to be a big folder, guys. The next one is going to be November 29th. Okay, there's no related stories to this, but let's take a peek here. Let me just get out of this for 1 second. And you can see the next one. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you here. The next manufacturing index, so also called Richmond Fed. Okay, and you can see that it's released monthly, and it was actually at an annual 0, and previous in August was -8. Okay, so 2 big folders here coming in. All right, and that's going to be our 10 a.m. news. Okay, and you can see price is still pushing huge, guys. Let's see if we may get this big fall post trade. Yes, Bubba. Come here. Guys, say hello to my Poochie friend here, Big Bubba. Where's the big guy? He's making the appearance on YouTube, guys. He's my bulldog. He is going to take over the stream from now on. Can you guys see him? He's telling you to wait for 10 a.m. for this news. Okay, big bully. All right. All right, here we go. He's on YouTube, guys. All right, can we get this huge push or pull here? That's what we want to see. Can we expect the seller in down? We're going to see. Honestly, it's a key level here. You can see by the volume coming near it, right? You can tell the institutions realize this level as a huge opportunity for breakout. And if we don't get a continuation, guys, then this is it. We're going to be done. All right. You can only do so much, right? Tony, he is big. He's about 100 pounds. Okay, guys, here we go. We got about 51 seconds here. The momentum is still very strong, okay? His name is FOMO. His name is Bubba. Okay, strength, guys. Still a lot of strength. This thing is... I like seeing this regardless. I like seeing this regardless because I like the reversals because of the holdings that I have in some stocks. I like to see this. Nine seconds here, guys. Okay, strength. strength is still continuing here so far. Let's see what we got. Okay, just a little push and pull here. Let's take a look at everything else, guys. Okay, not much has happened during this news. You can see the indecision. Look at the spinning top candle on gold. Okay, look at NASDAQ here. Nice little selling opportunity coming into play. All right. See the Dow here starting to push. And we're coming back down. Okay, so we'll give it about 5 minutes, guys. Then I'm going to have to bounce here. All right. Okay, still wick high. Okay, we're probably going to get a tap at the daily here. All right. I'm going to make this consolidation just neutral. I'm not too sure if we're going to break through that or not. Too much slowness for me, guys. I think keep these levels here. Okay, 31552. All right, for NASDAQ, it's the same level. Actually, you will need to update that. So members, we'll get you going in the group, okay? And just stay calm accordingly here. Wait for this 5-minute candle to close, and then we'll see how we're going to go. But guys, I didn't take any trades after the gold. Okay, after the big gold breakouts, you can see that oil, guys. If you guys watched oil, you can see that that thing is running about 250 pips. Okay, let's see from 83.50, perfect double bottom, 230 pips, 240. Okay, so very big move. Okay, US 30 was just a rocket. Okay, nothing took place. All right. Gold was a really good buy, guys. Like I haven't seen moves like this on gold in a long time. You know, oil alone was 230. You can see gold is about 210, so that's about 400 pips, guys, if you talked or even just followed it. Okay, you can see NASDAQ, nothing took place really on what we looked for here. So you know, it was really only a commodity day. But one last thing, GU, guys, was the banger here too. We had a buy coming in at. Give me 1 second here. Holy shit, that was loud. Let's see what the buy was. Let me just come in here in 2 seconds, guys. Just loading the Discord. GU buy we had at 1 sec. Okay, here 1.2770. Okay, so 1.12770. Okay, that was the GU buy, guys. It's all in the Discord. You can see that GU buy. You're looking at about 100 to 200 pips here, guys. So today alone on 3 trades, remember we talked about all 4 hitting TP. That's about a 600 pip move from GU, oil, and gold. If you held, obviously we talked about taking TP, but you know, just wanted to recap to show you some of these momentums that we have here. Okay, so guys, to finish off the call, all right, stocksnipertrading.com is the link. Okay, check it out here. Private Discord community with trade ideas, which I've shown you. We've sent them to the Free FX group as well. If you guys want to join one of our plans here, you can see, all right, monthly 3612. All right, we have alerts only down here in our lifetime. Okay, you guys can browse through it and see what makes sense for you. Okay, breakdown of our benefits right here. But the main thing, guys, for everyone that when they join us is you can see here how many sessions we have. Okay, we have New York. We have about 4 sessions today. Pretty much almost 4 sessions every day except for Monday and Friday. Okay, so you're looking at about roughly $2 a day to get a ton of pips, and your return could be extremely large if you guys take the time to learn this. Okay, and not only mention that, guys, we have our AI trade schedule, which goes off 24 hours, whatever we see, whatever we get. Okay, guys, well, I appreciate everyone staying with me, everyone, having a good day, hopefully. And let's check with the DXY. Look at the DXY, guys. Look at that big sell-off here. And today was perfect, honestly. Beautiful. Okay, so much love on the likes, guys. We will be recapping same time, same channel tomorrow. So stay tuned, 7:30, 7:40, rough time when we start. And then we'll go from there, okay? Guys, God bless you. Stay true, stay humble, and don't get greedy, okay? All right, later.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.